it can get any worse. Israel manages to unleash more of its savagery. It can't help be what it actually is, a machine of extermination. Within 4 hours drive from my house back home, patients were being burnt alive in a hospital. And displaced people in tents were being reduced to ashes. 4 hours away from my house, people were screaming from the pain, trying to escape hell, suffering to survive under the burning flames. 4 hours away from my house, people were having to see their loved ones being burned to death, unable to rescue them. 4 hours away from my house, people are being starved to death,